Was the Red Fort blast part of a bigger plan that failed earlier this year? Investigators now believe the November 10 explosions near Delhi's Red Fort may have been a delayed attempt, one that was first planned for Republic Day around 2 months from now. According to police sources, data from a seized mobile phone has opened a chilling new angle. It belonged to Dr. Muzammil Ganai, one of the main suspects arrested in the recently busted white-collar terror module in Faridabad. Analysis of the phone's dump data shows multiple visits to the Red Fort area in early January 2025. That's the same period when security in the capital is on its highest alert because the Republic Day parade runs from Rashtrapati Bhavan to the Red Fort. Thousands gather there, including top nationals and foreign dignitaries. A senior Delhi police officer told news agencies PTI that Muzammil's repeated presence near the Red Fort was part of detailed reconnaissance ahead of a possible attack on January 26. In simple terms, he may have been scouting the area for a terror strike on India's most symbolic day. But the plan, investigators believe, never materialized, likely because of tight patrolling and layered security during the Republic Day. Now, the same module may have revived the plan months later, choosing November 10 as a new target date when security was relatively relaxed. Muzammil wasn't alone. His associate, Dr. Umar Nabi, also made multiple trips to the Red Fort area earlier this year. Police says both men studied entry points, crowd movements, and police presence. Their movements have been verified through tower location data and CCTV footage from around the fort and nearby metro stations. Investigators are now scanning financial trails, encrypted chats, and digital communications to trace the funding behind the module and how the explosives were arranged. They're also examining whether other suspects helped with logistics or reconnaissance. Sources say dump data of Dr. Umar's phone shows similar movements near the Red Fort and possible contact with others linked to the mobile just days before the blast. On November 10, a high-intensity explosion tore through a Hyundai i20 car near the Red Fort metro station. 12 people were killed and several others were injured. The blast shocked the capital, prompting Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah to review the situation personally. The investigation has now officially handed over to the National Investigation Agency or NIA. Forensic teams continue to examine every digital trace, CCTV feed, and financial clue to uncover the full plot. And as the probe deepens, one question now haunts investigators. Was the Red Fort always the target? And did India narrowly escape a Republic Day tragedy?